doing pretty good. And my name is redwan'sworld, and today I'm going to explain about this beautiful scenery, right? Yes, and that's why I already have this scenery colored. But now I'll be telling you what the scenery is all about. Well, this scenery is all about a mountain scenery plus a sunset scenery. It's both mountain plus sunset scenery. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So what can we see in this picture? Well, what we can see is the mountains. Well, there are two mountains basically. This mountain is behind this mountain. Do you understand? Alright, so what are the colors of this mountain? Well, these two mountains' colors are, this color is called light blue. It's not like any other dark blues, but it's also a little bit dark, but this is also called a light blue. This is real light blue. It's called light blue, and this color, it looks like sky blue, but it isn't sky blue. It's called pale blue. And I also put a little bit of, not little bit, there's so much here of what? Of light blue, obviously. I also put pale blue, but you can't understand because it's a shade now. Here also it's a shade, so you can't also understand about that either. That if there's, the pale blue on this one as well. Now, what I'll do is, I'll tell you what we can get here, what type of colors and what colors I use for the trees in front of these mountains. So the colors are, this one is brown, this one's yellow ochre, but do you want to know something so strange about the color yellow ochre? Well, it seems like it's gold color, but it's actually not. There's a specific gold color in my color box. So now I'll go back to the scenery. So this is yellow ochre, and lastly pale orange, the skin color. And now this one is again brown, then yellow ochre, then lastly pale orange once again. For these branches the same, it's brown, yellow ochre, and pale orange. Brown, yellow ochre, and pale orange. But I use a little bit of pale orange in this branch. I mean, not that one, in this branch. But now I'll tell you the colors of the leaves. In this leaf, in the branches and these leaves of this tree, what colors did I use? Well, I used green. It seems like it's dark green, but its actual name is green. This one's green, yellow, green, and lastly, yellow. And this one also, green, yellow, and here also, green, yellow, yellow. For this one, the same, green, yellow, and yellow. And now, I'll go to the bushes. Here, look, again, green, yellow, and yellow once again. Now, I'll go to the soil. What colors does the soil have? Well, the soil has a color, it looks like pale orange, but it's called pale brown. This color is called pale brown, and this is yellow. I made a shade of both of them, yellow and pale brown. So now, I'll go to, the river. What colors does the river have? Well, the river has Prussian blue, then I used cobalt blue, then pale blue, and lastly, white. I used some white here and some white over these colors as well, just to make them beautiful.